Hi guys, I've got the Dyson V8 missing off its hook, so that could be a sign that it could be used in this video. I've got the house to myself today, so my idea is to do a vacuum, but not just using the one machine. I'm going to actually be using 3 machines. So I've got the Dyson Cinetic big ball for the carpets and the rugs, and then I'm going to go to stairs. I've got the Dyson V8 and there's my cat. I've got the Dyson V8 for the stairs and Henry Cordless for the floors. I'm hoping I won't have to do any editing in this video, but I'll see how it goes. I'm not sure how to get rid of the 15-minute cap on mobile, so after recording that time frame, so if I have to edit, then I'll do my best to try and capture at least a little clip of everything that I'm doing today. So without further ado, I'm going to vacuum the house, and I hope you enjoy the video. guys, so the reason why I stopped is because the battery's gone flat. It's not a problem, so I've got a spare. This one's fully charged. Okay guys, so that's the carpet, some floors done. Just the stairs now. I did the risers yesterday, so it's not too bad. I just do the steps because that's the bit that's going to be used most. And we've got people coming around tomorrow, so just make some video just to spruce it up. Okay, so that's the stairs done. A few things I forgot to mention was the Dyson V8 was fully charged, and I wasn't sure how much the Henry cordless had in it, so I got a spare battery just in case, which I did need, which you saw earlier on the video. Both Dysons were also empty, but the Henry wasn't. So I'm now going to show you which one picked the most up. Which I'd probably say is this Dyson here, Cinetic. So it picked up that just from one clean. It's a really good machine this, I must mention that. I'm not sure how much the Henry picked up because I'm not sure how much is in the bag. But it did a few bits on the floor. And the V8 got a few bits of fluff up. A little bit of mist there, but no problem. So I'm just going to put the machines on that. So this is my video cleaning the house with the Dyson Cinetic Big Ball Henry Cordless and the Dyson V8. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to quickly show you around. So the floors are nice and clean, rugs are clean, stairs clean. So the carpets, last time I vacuumed was yesterday with the Dyson DC41 Mark II. I'll be honest, it didn't pick that much up yesterday because I had a little bit of dirt in it, but I just went over the house. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video with cleaning the house with these 3 machines. If you'd like to see more videos like this, and you'd like to see specific machines that I own in action, either cleaning the whole house or a couple of machines together doing the house, then please let me know in the comments and I will consider doing that when I'm able to. The reason why I don't upload very often is because I like to have the house to myself when I do these videos, because I don't get disturbed then. So I'll try and time it so that I've got the house to myself. What do I think of these machines? Well, I think the Dyson V8 is very good for a cordless vacuum. Definitely worth the £400 I spent for it at the time. When did I get it? I got it last year sometime, I think. Was it 2016, I think I got it. So I paid £400 for that, the V8 Absolute. Henry Cordless, I believe at the time of making this video, which is January 2018, I believe it's about £200 now. You can get, there's 2 options in Argos, one with 1 battery and one with 2 batteries, which is this one, the 2 battery one. I paid £300 during 2017 summer, I believe. And the Dyson Cinetic, I believe I paid the full £500 for that. I got that in 2016, I think. So it was a lot, and I was a bit annoyed a few months later when they reduced it to £350 for a bit. But it doesn't matter because I'm very pleased with this machine. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.